There should never be a moment that goes by without you thinking about how you can improve videos. This one's about picture frames, especially using them in creative ways. So we start off by looking at how we could add a sticker. In this case it's not a sticker, it's a sticker which is called, down the end here, a photo frame, and you can see there's about 6 to 8 to choose from. Now what I've already done, and in the same way as you can hit plus and then hit play just to see what the thing looks like, and then you can add some. Now moving along as fast as we can, but not as sedate as the canoeists. Now if you notice there is a canoeist, and I'm going to highlight it there, look, I've used a picture frame to say that there is a red canoe here which is emerging, and I've just subtly highlighted it with a picture frame. Now if you click on the picture frame you can go in to look at the opacity, and I can dial in to make it even more subtle at about 50%. So if I go through and play the clip, a bit noisy, and there we have it. So that's one idea just to enhance a video. If you use something like Google Drawings and you bring in, say, a custom arrow on a transparent PNG file, that's fine, but it's really cumbersome. In other words, that yes, I wanted to highlight this canoeist there, look, but look what I've done to the video. I've really messed it up. I know ideally you wouldn't do that and you'd bring it a lot smaller, but do you really need to put such a obvious like arrow there? Then moving on, we can say that we can add maybe quite a subtle frame around the outside, but look at the colours, it doesn't really work. Then we can go on, and this is quite an interesting clip, because if you just play it a moment, we get an emerging canoe, which is the shot, but notice what I've done on the top is that there is a boat up there with two gentlemen collecting litter from the riverbank, and that's like totally unseen. So I've used the picture frame just to subtly highlight it. Watch, let me just bring it in. And that's it. Then we can come through and maybe choose a different picture frame like that, and you can see it's slightly stronger, but say with an audio or a voiceover you might help look at new items that you've missed visually. And then to finally finish this video, and that is that we could simply zoom into the whole clip, and you can see that the gentleman in the boat there going over, but you know, we've changed the clip, haven't we? There's no canoeist and there's no beautiful reflection of the sky. I'll show you what I mean. Let's play it. There's the clip originally, and then I've looked at the other one where the chap gets up and I think he's trying to get something there through the bushes. But it's a very, very different clip. That was it. There's nothing much to say, but albeit thanks to AZ, and I count down and then stop, don't I? 3, 2, 1.